and welcome to another special edition of Cooking with Averie. Cooking with Averie. This is a girls' edition. We're gonna do fun girly things. Quick, pan to them before they can move. Girls. We've decided to have a fiesta of sorts, in that the only thing we will be making is street corn. That's how good street corn is. Let's get to husking. Action! That was Marissa's idea. We grab a scale, a leaf,
It's like a dragon?
It's like a dragon.
I'm playing dragons right now.
We're gonna husk now. He's texting me at this critical moment. There's no method to this, guys. We're literally just ripping off his scales. What are these called? Leaves?
Husks.
The husks. Look, he's got hair. Thank you for y'all's assistance in, what is it? Husking all of this corn. In shucking the corn. That's what it was. That's inappropriate, Megan.
What? It's a word.
I'm sorry to my viewers for the profane things that you've had to hear today.
Shucking corn is a thing.
Oh my gosh.
Just keep saying it!
It's corn. It matches my flaxen hair.
That it doesn't.
Step one, we're gonna roast him. In the recipes, they're talking about like, put it on a grill. We don't have a grill. I wouldn't go outside even if we did. It's gross today. So did y'all know that there's some sort of like African Sahara desert dust in the air? It's all around. I don't know, is this everywhere or just Texas?
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere. So it makes everything feel gross and hazy. All this to say, we're gonna be cooking our corn on this pan. Some oil in it, kind of blacken them a little bit. Whenever you're really hot, you can just take your hair and put it up. If you ever see someone touching their hair and then doing your food without washing their hands, you leave that place. That's a disgusting place. I'm gonna wash my hands. Corona.
Hey Avery,
What?
didn't your hair touch the corn? Shut your mouth.
We're gonna roast any germs to oblivion. They'll be dead. Once again, we are using the smallest burner with the largest pan that we have. That is all that works. Welcome to the jam house. Welcome to what we have. Woohoo! This is fine. Roast. While our corn is roasting, we are gonna chop the cilantro at the same time. Multitasking. Small note, could y'all be quiet for a little bit? I'm talking. Sorry. Some people feel like cilantro tastes like soap. Those people are wrong. I just wanted to take this moment, this platform, to go ahead and just throw that out. Get over it. Be better. Haley. She's one of our soap people. In my own home. In my good Christian suburb. If you don't like cilantro and you go to a place and you don't want cilantro on things, just tell them that you don't want it. Don't say that you're allergic to it, because they have to treat the kitchen much different whenever you're allergic to something than when you just don't like it. And don't be that person. They're gonna be over here like washing cutting boards and like, don't kill them. Don't be that person. That's not nice. I get it, guys. You can use your hand to just sort of roll them about. Calm down. They're fine. Chop the cilantro. Chop, chop. Yee. Chop it, chop it, chop it. I balanced my bowl in this other bowl on the stove just because I don't have any space. Go in. Cilantro everywhere. I realize now I did not read the recipe to see how much cilantro they wanted. I just put all of it in there. Life is a journey. Life is a journey. And we are the passengers. I should read the recipe. The recipe is on my phone. I'm a millennial. 1/4 of a cup. That's so much more than 1/4 of a cup. Ah! Probably take some out. While we're waiting for the corn to roast, I thought this would be a good time to interview our subjects here. We have Marissa. We have Haley. Hello, and thank you for coming out to Cooking with Averie.
It's an honor to be invited. Thank you so much.
I'm excited to have both of you here. Please, if you wish to speak, request
What is this?
the Mexican style cream. Heads up, I don't really know what this stuff is, but we're gonna try using it today. We got it with a coupon. Quiet and back. Shh, the corn, it's fine. Haley, I'm gonna start with you. Have you had street corn before?
Does elote count?
Elote being street corn.
In a cup.
Yes. Elote does count as street corn because that is literally what it is. Marissa, have you experienced street corn before?
Last week I was at your house.
Sorry, you're actually going to need to speak up into the...
Last week I was at your house and you made some. So, yes.
I did forget about that. I have been on a bit of a kick making street corn.
She's made it like 4 times already.
Megan, it feels like you're fretting right now, and I don't need you to be fretting. Also, she did not have the mic. Now, back to cooking. Back to you in the studio. It is getting all roasty toasty over here. Our
Our laugh track.
audience experimenting with laugh track frequencies. That one's probably gonna be a no for me. Tablespoon of lime juice. One could use a fresh squeezed lime. I am not going to because I don't want to. Fun fact, in Spanish it's limon, which sounds a lot like lemon, but then on this side there was a picture of a lime. That's how I knew lime. A teaspoon of chili powder. A dash of cayenne is powerful. If you put too much, you'll kill people. I think I earlier described this as lava powder, and that is indeed what it is. Dash it. It's probably a dash. I don't know. Black pepper to my preference, so I'm just gonna. Feels like a good amount of grinding.
Ow! That hurts. Don't do that anymore.
You are corn, and I'm a human. I'm bigger than you. Okay. There's also supposed to be, I'm so glad that we saved this much sour cream, Megan.
I didn't know we needed it for this.
Megan saved us 2 thimbles worth of sour cream. Thanks, Megan. The studio audience. Let me just scrape it for all it's worth.
Put it back in the fridge for Megan next time. Megan, don't worry. There's like a tiny scraping left for you.
Let me just lid this up.
I felt attacked. Do not put that back in the fridge. Averie Kathleen.
Oh yeah. Getting chilled. Mexican style cream specifically says not sour. Let's taste it. I don't understand. Any of my Hispanic audience, if you could tell me what Mexican style cream is and what you use it for, that would be great. I'm gonna use some because why not? Just a dash in there. Some amount of mayo. This is the part about street corn that I kind of love because it sounds really gross. And then there's gonna be mayonnaise in there. There is. It's a nice glollop, I would call it. Thus far, this is what we have in here. Blah. I'll mix it. I'll mix it. Our corn, we're just grabbing and kind of, you know, chopping them on down. Wee-hee. This is the game. And we're gonna do this to all 6 of our corn cobs, or ears of corn. There are a lot of terms for corn. We've cut all of our corn. If you've done it right or wrong, hard to tell which. There's corn everywhere, like a little corn graveyard. It's not gonna be fun to clean up. We're gonna put in this Queso Fresco. Comes in this big old block, isn't that fun? Cheese in a block. It's cheese in a block. How do I open the cheese in a block? It's difficult to open. I don't know how to open things. Woo! I got it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this whole crescent in there.
Just like that.
Not just like this, Megan. You have to break it up with your hands.
It just sort of crumbles. It's really cool. We're gonna teach Megan how to crumble the cheese. Take your chunk. Megan, I'm gonna need like a caress and a finesse. A kinesse.
I don't know what kinesse looks like.
It's like kinetic energy, also finesse, and also caring.
I need you to care more as you crumble this cheese.
Crumbling the cheese like friends do. We're crumbling the cheese together. Crumbling the cheese like friends do. We're crumbling the cheese together. Your turn. Finish the note. Together. Together.
You should go higher because when I sing, it's like a lot.
Friendship. And then we're just mixing. Now we're gonna serve it to our studio audience. Girls' night. Welcome to Girls' Night, everyone. Tonight we've chosen between a pore cleansing peel-off gel mask for men or this purifying avocado oatmeal clay mask, not for any particular gender. Now we're gonna try our street corn. I feel pleased.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you for joining us today. Cooking with Averie. See you next time.
I got it in my eyeball.
That's the shot.